मेन बैट्समैन है इनका
58 for 4 after 8 hours. 9th over is in progress now. Captain will pick that early. 4 runs to captain. Sip the Nakwi now. 4 runs. He has other options now. There you go. Abdullah. Him now the captain. 8.2 hours. Oh, just missed it. 3 and 2 dot balls. 8.3 overs. 62 for 4. Again he missed it. 8.4 overs. 62 for 4. What a shot that is. Another boundary. Stan is watching that battle on the non-striking end. He was maybe dragged down at the end of the over. It was closely dragged down. Good bowling though. Couple of boundaries. 66 for 4 after 9 overs. 66 for 4 after 9 overs. The captain Sipte Nakwi and Hasnain lefty. It just has been the way is missed it. A simple catch dropped. 67 for 4. The catch is dropped. A lifeline for Hasnain lefty. Smash that for another boundary. He's dealing in boundary, the captain Sipte Nakwi. Shot set down the ground. No runs. Shot dragged again. He has hit the ball. A boundary. He will feel confident after that. Hasnain. Good comeback after that. 10 overs have gone. Halfway to the first inning. Shazib. There you go. Spinner. Spin options are introduced now. A big time. First dot balls. Hot shot, 4 runs. That has response by the captain. 81 for 4. 10.3. White. Negotiated well, fielded well. 6 of the 4 deliveries. Good fielding.
ओ चौका फील्डर नहीं है ये चौका
पीछे 2 फील्डर खड़े हैं भैया वो दोनों एक जगह
8 of this over so far. 2 runs that was on last delivery. Misfield has for 2 more runs. 10 of this over. The spinner double change Ubaid on this crease. Top edge. 87 runs. Straight down the ground. 12th over 88 for 4. Dot. Just 1 run of the 3 deliveries. 2 dot. This ball he picked up the man. Ball in up, 5 down. The captain is gone. That was sad exit. He was playing well, a couple of boundaries. He smashed that. Kohli in at number 7. One left. Okay. 1 left. Nicely played. And we rotate the strike. Chance of run out. He's in. It's drive. Another throws. 5 runs. Valuable runs with the bat. 5 runs. 5 runs. Mubashir and Hasnain. New over started. and new partnership about to build up. 5 runs given. Oh, it's beaten everything. Beaten everything. Not much of feather inside edge of the bat is not. Another beaten, and by this time he's not even touching the bat on it. Very nicely played, and it's gone for 4. This is statement. 3 left, 3 left. Quite a big statement from left-hander batsman. A 20-20 over match this morning. Put into the bat first by the opposite team. It can be very scary. They've been very scary while bowling with the new ball. Especially this guy. Very, very scary. 3 left. Very nicely played. 2 left, 2 left. Aaj bhai. And tournament final is also going on there. Outside edge, it's gone with a glove. It's glove. And guess 2. 1 left. Last ball of the 13th over. We have 7 more overs after this in the first half of the play. The 20-20 game. Sun is bit put there. 13 over gone. 13 over gone. We are gonna look at the score and how much wicket fallen. 1-0-1-4-5 down after 13. We have 7 more overs to play with 5 wickets in hand. This is start of the 14th over. Very nicely played. Lefty is away. First ball of this over, 14th over. First thing he wanna do, Mubashir, to tap the bat on it. He's been struggling to play spin that area, but he's off the mark again. 2 balls, 2 singles. This time is a good call. Very good call from Mubashir. Very good in running. And running between the wicket is the key in 20-20 over game. We have 6 more overs to play after this. And the captain of the Phantom Strikers at extra cover, waiting for the opportunity to come. Oh, beaten. Another dot. We have the signal from his guru to play every shot as possibly you can, Mubashir. That's why it's on it. There is just one left here. Mubashir वो कह रहे 2 ओवर का टाइम दिया तुझे उन्होंने, कह रहे फोड़. Oh, beaten. रन दो, लेग बाई. स्ट्राइक आपके पास है, ओवर लेग बाई.
सिंगल डबल करो.
ये भाई, ये पता क्या भाई बात सुने शराब भाई, 9 साल बाद कोई बंदे ने मुझे चेपी है आज. मुल्तान में उससे पहले चेपी थी, मगर बच गया हूँ भाईजान. Skipper, he's wanna check up the score, run rate, everything. He's keeping the eye all day. And the other skipper is about to bowl the 15th over. We have 5 wickets in hand and 6 overs to play in first half of the game. Nicely tucked away, and to the deepest fielder out there, gets one. 35 legal deliveries remaining in the first half in a 20-20 over game. How much of the target? They said in the beginning 130 is about a good shot by Mubashir. He'll find the boundary, and it does find the boundary. It's a good shot. The signal say that everything. Taken off his helmet off the lefty. His kind of guy is not nervous. Ah, shot. That's a great footwork. That's a brave shot by Mubashir. Really well played. Real shorty shot. And will find the boundary. Have to come back for second is 4. It's a 4. It's a 4. 3 balls of the over, 15th over. Single, boundary, then boundary. 9 of 3 balls. No, Bishak. Oh, that is a authority shot. Goodness gracious me. That is some statement from Mubashir.
यार इस बंदे ने मैं किया
You see the future of the game and some of the shots with real authority. And he got 2 more legal deliveries left of the 2 left. It's not Cardiff guy. His fielder setting down. He's dropped it. There. He's dropped absolute dolly. He's absolute dolly. And runs opportunity. Got a run for that. Got a run for that. No. A chance is being created. An opportunity goes down. Absolute dolly
तू अंदर आ जा
by this man.
टीम कर रहे हो
The squad that is in the air. It's double it and hold it. Finally, it's plucked it and it's taken the good catch. And he's smiling. One of his mistakes covered by his senior member of the team. And lefty is gone. And this team, let's talk about this team. They Phantom strikers, they hate this kind of the team. The kind of the team they really hate lefty players, and lefty players is gone. They really hate lefty players. It's bat on, having put into the bat first by the Phantom strikers. ओवर हो गया 5 रहते हैं ओवर पूरा ओवर हो गया फेस किसका था कहाँ से खेला था He's been joined by his guru and he's off the mark straight away and he's given the chance with 29 balls left into the game and Monam to face his first ball now. He's taking guard Monam and got wonderful chance to score a quick fire 50 there. But he'll go with the defense first ball that he played. A little bit of smile from the opposition side. Nothing is going bad. Nothing bad is happening. They believe. Inside edge, big inside edge. 3 balls left of the 16th over. It pulled it away and he found a big boundary, a big gap to bring himself a first boundary at number 8 position, Manam. That means 2 balls more left of the over number 16 and we got a very uneven condition. You cannot expect from the proper cricket. That's why some of the players been stuck in the body occasionally. 2 left.
सही है
Very hardly played and it's gone for 4. Will destroy his over. Last ball of the ball of the 16th over and it's gone for 4. 16 over gone. We got 6 wickets down left to play 4 more remaining overs. And Mubashir also playing really well. We'll resume the play. The skipper himself got the ball in his hand with 4 over to play in the first half. What he'll be thinking, Mubashir, to off strike first ball or go for it, clearing the front leg, but there is a protection in the deep. He's playing really well against the spin especially. He got the overthrow, but it's covered by the fielder at short third man eventually. Oh, hit really hard. Hit on the ground. And powerfully throw. It's gone for 4. It's 5 runs.
करना पे यार मिल
Runs. It's not gonna stop it either. It's not gonna stop it either. It's gone for 5 runs with the bat. Some of the lucky runs to contribute in the ending phase of the game to set a good target here. Struck to away and struck to a really well. He gets the hand on it, the fielder, and is coming back for second. Is our throw to left of the over. 1 left of the over now. Very clever bowling, very thoughtful bowling by the skipper. His middle it. And we keep the strike with 3 more overs playing. 3 hours remaining. And we got the best view of the 139 for 6 after 17 overs, and gotta find the way to score at least 180. Some hard hitting required. Wide. Crack that on the middle of the bat. Has gone for 4. Wide and a boundary is the start of the 18th. We have plenty of batting to come. 17 legal balls remaining. Wide. मैं भी देख के भजन मैं कोई बात है यार. That is a good shot. Has gone for 6. Has gone for 6. Some of the late fireworks from the man in form to set a good target of 180 something. They're gonna look at it and capitalize any chance they gotten. Some of the advice been brought up into the play by his senior team member there. Mid on going back. Mid off is kind of 45 yards. Misread it. Very good, clever bowling. Very thoughtful bowling. Using the variation pitch condition with his advantage. What about that for one-handed? And it's going for somewhere into the region. It's another boundary. 1 left. It's another boundary. Sun is a bit of coming out of there. Wicket keeper bit of up. Is not scared of the bowler slits off him. He'll keep the strike. He'll wanted to keep the strike himself. 12 legal deliveries remaining in the game, and pitch is not behaving like they were. That's why the other team opted to bowl first this morning. Uzair to bowl the 19th over. Swept away for 4. Welcome to the start of the 19th over, he says, and he joins his partner with another boundary in exactly the same place where he loves to be. Score every opportunity. Sun is bit of coming more out there. Now he wants to change the field of his own choice with 5 balls remaining on his hand. Never gonna ball again because last over remaining after this. Nicely played. There is a Kirsman when taking the catch earlier, about 3 hours ago, 5 of 2 balls, 19th over. Good game going on. That's a good call. Oh, he missed it. 3 balls remaining of the 19th over. 2 balls remaining of the 19th over. Good bowling. He's not really happy with his senior partner. He says, a fielder at mid-off, why you would come inside much? I don't like it. It's gone for 4. It's gone for 4. 1 tap, 1 boundary, then block, and then go for the another. That's been the story today. Cold noon time, like 13. Oh, taps the bat, gets the band on it. He's in. We're gonna ball the last over. That's the question, and some of the chances should have been given to the player, like this player, Azhar and Raheel. We're gonna come out to bat with 6 balls remaining. Only the matter of time when any of wicket fallen. Otherwise, detailing you his stance. No, it's not. It's gone from the middle it, but it's got the fielder in the place. Can you believe that? First ball of the 20th over.
Yes.
Believing his luck. Azhar to face remaining 5 balls. Gonna hit you somewhere. 5 legal balls remaining. Only the test of your power, but couldn't quite middle it. Pitch is difficult and has to go back to the dugout. And skipper says, well played. He's a kind of guy is not even taking the guard on that. Not enough time remaining in the game. Middle it. Just single. 4 balls remaining of the last over. What are you gonna do, Mubashir? What are you gonna do, man? 4 balls remaining in the 20th over. In the air. It's in the air. Out. Oh, dropped it. Can you believe that? He has dropped it. He really has dropped it. An easy one. But he got the last line here. Once again. 3 balls remaining in the 20th over. Last over of the first half. And Azhar got a wonderful chance to check his power maybe. Is there. It's gone for 4. There's no chance for 4. Is some of the late striking into that play. And 2 balls remaining in the first half. Last 2 balls remaining. Good shot. Straight down the ground. Falling for second. Very powerful throw. And gets 2. Last ball remaining of the 20th over. Last ball remaining. लेग अंपायर से उधर देख रहा है यार, से पूछो बताओ स्टंप हुआ कि नहीं। अहमद बता ना, आउट है नॉट आउट है बता। बताएगा तू? आउट दे दिया उसने, आउट बदला दे दिया आउट का, नहीं बस ने ये बदला लिया आपने अपने आउट का। क्या किया आपका आउट इन्होंने दिया, बदला लिया। बदला क्या है? उन्होंने गलत किया था, मेरा आउट गलत ही था। वो आउट गलत किया। वो कीपर भी उनसे मैंने कीपर से पूछा क्या कीपर से पूछा आपने? बाद में पूछा था आपने? बात हुई है कीपर से?
मैंने बात हुई है, वो कह रहा है कि नॉट आउट को गलत आउट दिया।
आपने बदला लिया
इस
था?
तरह के जो क्लब के मैचेस होते हैं इसमें जो है बैट्समैन का साथ देना चाहिए, बैट्समैन के फेवर में।
तो इनको अपनी बार दुख होगा अभी जब आपने दिया तो? दुख होगा अपनी बार?
दुख नहीं, लास्ट में वो कह रहा है फर्क नहीं पड़ता, वैसे ही बोला है।
मगर उसका एवरेज डाउन हो जाएगा ना यार, नॉट आउट नहीं किया वो, आपने आउट दिया है भजन, अब बनता है खाना आप पे। बता कर रहा हूँ यार, बता काट यार। वो स्कोर पूछ लिया भाई और से, टारगेट पूछ लिया स्टेट क्या? नोमी नोमी तूने गेम पे आ जाना तो कैच छोड़ दिया भाई ने, 3 बालें तो ये मिल जाती है आखिरी। मेहनत कर रहे हैं बहुत ज़्यादा फील्डिंग में, बहुत गुस्सा है थोड़ा सा। जीत के बहुत करीब आ चुकी है टीम, बहुत ज़्यादा करीब। फतह कोई तकरीबन शिकस्त चटा रहे हैं दूसरी टीम को, शिकस्त का जायका चटा रहे हैं। आखिरी विकेट है, आखिरी 2 ओवर्स में 15 चाहिए। बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़ोरदार मैच एक किस्म का जो कह सकते हैं। 15 चाहिए 12 बालों पे, आखिरी विकेट है, 15 बचाना है। जहीर मेमोरियल क्रिकेट क्लब ने 15 बचाना है आखिरी 12 बालों पे। ये ट्रेन का मंजर हम आपको दिखाएंगे, ट्रेन। और ये देखें आखिरी विकेट, 15 चाहिए 12 बालों पे। राहील विकेट कीपर पर मौजूद, 15 चाहिए आखिरी 12 बालों पे। ये ट्रेन भी हम दिखा रहे हैं। ये भाई कोई चांस, ये भाई चांस पे जाएंगे या सिंगल लेंगे भाई आपके लिए? भाई बताएं भजन।
जी ले लेंगे।
आप शार्ट बड़ी खेलिए भजन, हम ट्रेन ले रहे हैं आपके साथ यार। 12 पे 15 आखिरी विकेट। सूरत हाल ये 10 पे 10 चाहिए आखिरी विकेट। और 9 बालों पे 6 भाई ने ड्राइव का चौका खेल दिया इस भाई ने। 9 पे 6 चाहिए, फील्डिंग की वजह से हम रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाए। आखिरी 9 बालों पे 6 चाहिए, आखिरी विकेट, आखिरी विकेट। और ये लड़ाई होते हुए चेक कर 9 बालों पे 6, मजाक के अलावा मजाक वैसे ही नहीं है बहुत। हम इस वक्त हम बहुत ज़्यादा जो है ना, और बोल्ड कर दिया भाई ने। फील्डिंग की वजह से हम बोल्ड रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर सके। फाइट बहुत की है हाफिज़ भाई ने, ये जो है कप्तान इनके। 5 रन से ये मैच जीत लिया हमने, मैच जीत लिया है 5 रन से। और शौक रहा है ये आज यहाँ और 5 रन से जीते हैं वर्ल्ड कप। फाइट बहुत दी है भाई ने, मैं ले रहा हूँ। और 5 रन से मैच जीत लिया है। 7 बालों पे 6 चाहिए था, आखिरी विकेट जब गिरी है। बोल्ड किया भाई ने, और ZMCC ने ये अपने नाम किया ये मुकाबला एक और बहुत मेहनत की है, मैच जीत लिया है। गुस्से में थे भजन। और ये देख सकते हैं आप, ये 9 साल बाद कोई हिट किया, मगर शुक्र है विकेट ऐसी थी। गुलाम रहमान ने मारी थी शेब, गुलाम रहमान ने मारी थी आपको। कायदत में ट्रॉफी भी खेले थे और लाहौर कलंदर में प्रोग्राम में भी सिलेक्ट हुआ था। कहते पैड कोई भी नहीं कर रहा था जब वो बॉलर था, मतलब वैसे ही हर कोई बैटिंग के लिए तैयार था। जब वो बॉलर आया ना तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं यार हम नहीं खेलते, तो हम इनको देंगे इनके। ये बहुत अच्छे बॉलर को खेले हैं शुएब, ये अच्छी पेस थी इन भाई की, शरोज नाम है इनका। और शुएब ने बड़ी हिम्मत की है इनको खेल के, 2 चौके भी मारे हैं, बड़ी गेम शो कराई है। अल्लाह पाक ने हमें जीत दिया हमें। हम बैटिंग में नहीं चल सके मगर हमने अपनी शो कराई है गेम, शो कराई है गेम। सही है। ये प्लेयर नाकाम हुआ है, ये 0 पे आउट हुआ है, क्या वजह है?
गलत आउट दिया
गलत दिया,
फिर इन लोगों ने गलत आउट दिया।
अच्छा,
उनके कीपर ने भी कहा ये गलत आउट था।
ये वाकई आपको बीच में ना फैसला वापस नहीं हुआ। अल्लाह पाक ने इज्जत दी हमें भजन, इज्जत अल्लाह पाक ने इज्जत
भाई ने काफी अच्छी फील्डिंग हमारे,
फील्डिंग में फील्डर बहुत जालिम है, गुस्सा था भजन।
एटीट्यूड और एग्रेसिव फील्डिंग इन्होंने किया है,
एग्रेसिव वहां था
बहुत
बहुत।
aggressive
प्लेयर आप माशाल्लाह जवान आप यार, क्या क्यों नहीं रनिंग की स्प्रिंट लाइन। मैं 35 साल से अब वापस जाते हुए